Hi, Mike with Albright Pressure Washing and More. On this job, we are cleaning up 2 sheds in a customer's backyard using the Ultimate House Wash. As you can see, the north side is pretty dirty. The Ultimate House Wash is sold by Industrial Cleaning Equipment. It is a chlorinated detergent designed to clean organic growth from siding, roofs, brick, decks, concrete, and more. It can be batch mixed and applied with a downstream injector, pump-up sprayer, or a 12-volt pump depending on how strong you need it. Step 1. Inspect the area and remove items away before cleaning and cover electrical outlets as needed. Step 2. Pre-wet any plants or siding as needed. Step 3. Evenly apply cleaner and let it work for 1 to 2 minutes. It can be longer depending on how dirty it is, but do not let it dry on the surface. Step 4. Rinse with a low amount of pressure. We like to use a J-rod nozzle for applying and rinsing. Are you interested in learning more about the Ultimate House Wash? Leave us a comment below or check out icenc.com for detergents and custom pressure washing trailer setups. Tell them Albright sent you. Hey, thanks for checking out our video. Please like and subscribe so we can keep making content just like this for you.